What's on the docket today? What will we document?
Welcome to Doll Doc. In 2019, I had the opportunity to participate in a Halloween swap. I know this video is very late, but I wanted to still share the doll I made and the doll I received. This was my first swap, and the host Dolliciouso sent us all questionnaires. I would be making a doll for Foxboxdolls. I'll be putting everyone's links down in the description box. After finding out what Foxboxdolls liked, I came up with the concept of a horned ghost creature with a pastel Lolita fashion style.
Let's start doctoring.
I'll be using a second-hand Spectre doll since she already had the ghost hands and feet. I cut her hair and heated the head with my hairdryer to remove it from the body. Once the head was off, I removed the remaining plugs and glue from the head. Now hairless, let's remove her factory paint with pure acetone. A blank canvas. Now she just needs to be rinsed with some soap and water. I use a hairdryer to remove the excess water. This also helps reduce the risk of fibers and dust getting on the vinyl. You'll want to make sure the head is completely dry before sealing it with MSC. I do 2 to 3 layers of MSC, waiting 45 minutes between each to let it set fully. While that's curing, let's start on her dress. I chose satin and chiffon for this ghostly look. For the pattern, I bought one of Dollightful's and modified it for what I needed. Her patterns are amazing. I'll leave a link below if you'd like to check them out. After pinning the fabric, I cut out all the pieces, then put the top and bottom pieces right sides together and sewed them at the shoulders. For the sleeve, place the shoulder and sleeve right side together, lining the top center of the sleeve to the shoulder seam. Her sleeves are in need of some ghostly flow. I wanted them to be layered, so I created these patterns and cut them out of light pink and cream chiffon. Fray check is my greatest ally when working with this fabric. I stitch it right sides together, then stitch the sleeves closed, hemmed the back opening, and stitch the sides together. I lost the footage for the skirt of the dress, but I'll try to explain it the best I can. I cut out 3 layers, each longer than the one above it. Once they were stitched together with a gathering stitch, I sewed them to the bodice and added some lace ribbon for details. This doll was not only my first swap, but the first time I made horns. I wanted to place them on the doll after I made her wig. To do this, I twisted some floral wire into the shape I wanted and hot glued it to some sewing pins. Next, I'm going to sculpt them with epoxy sculpt. I also made her some hairpins using some scrapbook materials I had and secured them to the pins with more epoxy sculpt. The horns were a bit bulky, so I slimmed them down some with my Dremel tool. Remember to wear gloves, eye protection, and a mask so you don't breathe in the dust. Time for shoes! I found this pair that was already pink and had little horns on the back. They weren't the exact pink I wanted, so I got out a scrap piece of satin and color matched the paint to it the best I could. I also painted her hair accessories. I used a darker pink and white to add some details. Also, I decided to paint this belt with a bow on it for her outfit. Let's make her wig. I start out gluing yarn wefts to the part line and worked my way around the outer edges, before working my way up from the base of the neck up. I repeat these steps on the other side, this time using a light pink yarn. Now to one of my favorite parts, her face. I chose a palette of grays and pinks. Starting out, I lightly sketched the eye placement and used soft pastels for the contour and eyeshadow. I like to go in with some black pastels to give her eyes more dimension. I used acrylic paint to brighten up the scleras of her eyes and give her some eye shines. While I wait on the gloss that I added to her lips and eyes to dry, let's go ahead and open the package I received for this swap. My package came from Sleepysealion. She wrote me a sweet note, and look at this cute doll. She made me a steampunk gargoyle. I'm a sucker for steampunk. The dress is very well crafted, and she mentioned she used gold and silver leaf for the metallic parts. Let's see what else is in here. There are some cute Jack skeleton earrings, a doll comb, an adorable galaxy bow, some ribbon in gray, pink, and orange. Ooh, what's this? Oh, she made her a little parasol. How cute. A cute gold zip-up bag, and there feels like there's something inside. They are doll dresses, and very beautiful. She packed this box full of goodies. Here's some fun fabric with a nautical looking rope pattern. I actually have an idea for using this. Some pretty rhinestone bling. And what's in this little box? It looks like gold and silver leaf. I'm excited to try it out because I've never used it before. And she added some Halloween candy. Thank you so much, Sleepysealion. I love it all. I can't wait to add this gargoyle to my display area. Now, let's assemble the doll I created for Foxboxdolls. I dressed her and added a little glue to her wig cap to secure it. Next, I added some wefts to the base of her horns to make some cute buns. I've also painted the horns with acrylic paint, giving them each a gradient. Everything went into the head pretty easily. I also created a coffin for her to travel to her new home in. I hope you all liked this ghostly girl. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be alerted when I post my next video. Thanks for watching and keep creating. See you later!